Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll give you guys a room tour in the Hilton Hawaiian Village in Waikiki. There are many towers in the resort, and the tower that I'm giving the room tour in is called the Ali Tower. This beautiful, gorgeous pond is located in front of the Ali Tower. We stayed at the Ocean View room. Near the entrance, there's a complimentary water and coffee area. On the left side is the restroom. The restroom is pretty gorgeous. It has all the amenities that you need, which are towels, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Also has a blow dryer and a safe where you could put your important items. And it also have robes for you to wear and slippers as well. The restroom overall is very clean. This room also has a nice sofa and a big size king bed. And it also has a big screen TV if you need to watch anything. And it also has a nice game console. The best part in this room is the view. We got the ocean view room and it's amazing. It'll be really nice to go outside into the balcony to have a little snack or coffee in the morning. Wow, this is such a nice view of Waikiki. I cannot ask for more. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.